Good morning, children. Once again, I am before you with video number 29, chapter number 11, reproduction in plant. In earlier video, we discussed about vegetative reproduction in asexual reproduction. Today, we will discuss about what? Budding, fragmentation, spore formation, and binary fission in amoeba. So, let us discuss about at first budding. Budding is also a mode of asexual reproduction. In budding, a bulb-like projection forms on the body of an organism. It is known as bud. The nucleus of the parent body divides into two and one of the nuclei goes into the bud. When the bud gets matured, it detaches itself from the parent body and becomes an independent individual. Yeast reproduces by budding. Just see the diagram. This is the diagram of budding in yeast. Is the first one, the parent yeast plant, then the bud emerges out, then the bud growth of bud, and the last you can see here the chain of yeast cells form. So in this way that budding occurs in the yeast cell. Now another one is a spore formation. Some bacteria and fungi form spores. What is a spore? The spore is a small single cell reproductive body which is covered by a thick and hard protective coating. This protective layer helps it to survive under unfavorable conditions such as extremely high temperature, lack of food and water, etc. When the conditions become favorable, the thick coating breaks open and the spores germinate to produce the new plant. The examples are the organism in which the spore formation occurs, like the mucor, fern, moss and breed mold, that is also called rhizopus, which can reproduce asexually by a spore formation. Another one is the fragmentation. In certain alga, such as the Spirogyra, the long ribbon-like body breaks up into two or more parts called fragments. The breaking of a body into one or more parts is called fragmentation. Each fragment then grows into a new individual. This process of fragmentation is very rapid and continues, covering a large area. Another one is the binary fission. It is also a sexual mode of reproduction. In binary fission, what happens? Binary fission is the splitting of a mature cell into two cells of the same kind. It is the most common method of asexual reproduction in amoeba. In binary fission, first the nucleus elongates and divides into two nuclei. Then the cytoplasm divides into two parts, each containing a nucleus. Further, constriction leads to the formation of two daughter cells. These daughter cells grow into mature cells and then undergo binary fission in a similar way. Let's see the diagram of binary fission in amoeba. First, you will see here that the nucleus, fully grown amoeba, cytoplasm, amoeba is having irregular shape. Another one, the nucleus can divide in the second stage, nucleus elongates, and the third one, the constriction, that is the nucleus divide into two parts, and the fourth one, the cytoplasm also divides and then it can form ultimately to two daughter cell. It ultimately forms the two daughter cell. In this way, binary fission occurs in amoeba. Now, some of the assignment questions based upon the video number 29. Question number 1. How does budding occurs in yeast? Question number 2. With the help of level diagram, explain binary fission in amoeba. Question number 3. What do you mean by spores? And the question number 4. Name an organism in which fragmentation occurs. A student, this is about asexual reproduction that we discussed today about budding, spore formation, fragmentation, and binary fission in amoeba. Keep watching the video, stay home and stay fit. Thank you, all the children. Keep watching the video.